Hello, I'm just going to talk about the growing importance of SMAC in the automobile industry. There are three key technology trends in the automobile industry today that are leaving a big impact. The first trend is the adoption of faster and smarter technologies to accelerate product development and reduce costs. Simulation, modeling, and virtualization of product engineering, prototyping, and manufacturing are expected to improve quality, reduce costs, speed time to market from concept to consumer. Several technology companies are adopting this in all these aspects of manufacturing. Additionally, next generation vehicle technologies are being explored to optimize fuel consumption and meet regulatory requirements. The hybrid electric vehicles is one such area of research among many others. Finally, and the most importantly, I must say the development of interconnectedness of the car, GPS, SMAC, and Internet of Things. They are revolutionizing the way the cars are getting interconnected today. Powerful processors. Finally, and most significantly, it is the development of connected technologies coupled with the Internet of Things, global positioning systems, and social, mobile, analytics, and cloud technologies that is impacting these automotive technologies today. Moreover, advancements on platforms and devices in terms of intuitive user interfaces, powerful processors, open source mobile platforms, and digital technologies are creating a highly favorable ecosystem for integrated in-vehicle solutions. GR Motors OnStar is a popular example. Apart from that, you have FordSync and Cadillac user interface. They are becoming industry standard today. Today, the cost of electronics in luxury vehicles is well over 25% of the total manufacturing cost. In the 1970s, it was just 2.5%. This cost is expected to go up by over 50% within the next 5 years. One may be surprised that there are about 10 million lines of codes in any luxury automobile, while in 1970 it used to be few hundred lines. It is also estimated that on an average, over 80% of the innovation and R&D cost is spent on electronics and embedded systems. Technology companies have never been more involved in the automobile technology as they are today. Google's driverless car initiative is well known. So are the similar initiatives from Microsoft and many other leading technology companies. Apple's successful patent of in-vehicle dashboard infotainment design is another testimony to this trend. What makes these technologies very interesting is that they fall at the intersection of four major industry sectors: automobile industry, OEMs and suppliers, electronics OEMs, software product development and service companies, and telecom service provider, with each looking to increase sales and drive business. Google's self-driving car is perhaps the biggest talking point in automobile circles. Having undergone more than 500,000 miles of testing, it is equipped with 4 radars, 64 beam lasers on top, GPS, wheel encoders, and safety drivers to avoid oncoming traffic, negotiate obstacles, travel preset route plans, and thwart potential accident scenarios. Google aims to partner with leading OEM to provide this as the top technology platform for automobiles. The automobile sector today has to invest in creating a superior customer experience delivery system. With new generation technology like cloud, mobility, social media, and big data, traditional services such as extended warranties, service contracts, and insurance have been replaced with new services like infotainment, loyalty-linked rewards, and promotion. True to its reputation of always being at the forefront of adopting new technologies and best practices, the automobile sector is all set to create an integrated multi-channel customer experience. For example, in order to take a test drive of a particular make of vehicle, one just needs to tweet. There is no need to search for the nearest dealer. Digital strategy for business transformation. This is a very key aspect in the automobile industry today. Global organizations are embracing digital strategy for their business transformation initiatives. The automobile industry accounts for a significant pie of this investment. Affordable digital initiatives are bringing all players in the automobile industry up to par with each other. OEMs as well as suppliers in the automobile industry are adopting SMAC to transform their businesses. It is important to know how to apply the 4 SMAC components of social computing, mobility technology, analytics, and the cloud for business transformation. In other words, SMACing the automobile industry. SMACing powers a company in its digital race to be more customer-centric and more productive with the launch of new products, insights for greater value engineering, reduced vehicle recall cost, and enhanced consumer experience, impacting all key stakeholders in the automobile industry value chain. The growth in internet access through mobile devices has fueled the demand for real-time information, machine-to-machine technology, further powers this growth as it enables communication between devices via internet connection. A portfolio of M2M solutions can be seen in fleet management, asset tracking, and many such applications. Shop floor to top floor applications to integrate shop floor equipment and assembly lines with other business applications, and shop floor on mobile devices are some examples. Creating a community of innovators and design enthusiasts using social media, what can be termed as crowdsourcing of design and innovation, is another example of SMACing. The BMW Group and Local Motors, for instance, initiated a collaborative design and development project called the Urban Driving Experience Challenge. The challenge asked the local motor community of nearly 30,000 designers, engineers, fabricators, and enthusiasts to identify the future premium vehicle features and functions that will define the urban driving experience in the year 2025. The 3-week competition was held at localmotors.com from September 25th through October 16 in 2012. By the end of the challenge period, nearly 3,500 individual design boards had been submitted in support of just over 400 innovative feature concepts. After an extensive review and validation process, 286 entries were qualified as having met all specified criteria. A council of 14 BMW Group executives reviewed these entries, and BMW management selected the top 10 concepts. The entries represent a wide range of concepts including interior design, connectivity, the future of car sharing, and the application of new technologies. The China Eastern Airlines estimates that around 50,000 of its employees use mobile devices for work. To support these uses and leverage mobility even further across the enterprise, so there is an interesting report by Forrester Research that how the corporate app store of China Eastern Airlines, one of the top airlines in China, boosts enterprise mobility. China Eastern Airlines estimates that around 50,000 of its employees use mobile devices for work. To support these uses and leverage mobility even further across the enterprise, CES IT department developed application for its workforce and set up a corporate app store to manage access and simplify provisioning. The report highlighted CES best practices for operating a corporate app store and securing cooperation from key internal stakeholders to increase mobile engagement for business growth. Less than 1 year after General Motors announced that it would stop outsourcing its IT work to other companies, the company launched a new $130 million data center of its own in mid-2013 using cloud and big data concepts. The company is betting that a thoroughly modernized approach to IT, consciously modeled in many ways on advances made by Google and Facebook, will help accelerate its turnaround. The company's new data center has been designed to be easier to maintain and expand as well as be less expensive. It also supports a mix of conventional and experimental technologies that the company hopes will measurably improve its capacity to innovate by doubling the number of its projects it is able to undertake. General Motors' decision to deploy Big Insights is a big win for IBM, which ranks as the #1 big data vendor by revenue. Let me now share concept to consumer lifecycle management. Today, automobile OEMs face tremendous challenges from changing customer behaviors, which are influenced by factors like easy availability of credit and the shift of activity to the economies of BRICS, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, these BRICS countries. OEMs need to innovate constantly in terms of how they manage the portfolio of products and product life cycles in view of superior customer experience, consumer demand-led product innovation, ever-rising competition, quick time to market, supply chain management, safety, and environment regulations. Concept to consumer lifecycle management was never as challenging as it is today. New technologies like social, mobility, analytics, and cloud can be effectively used by the auto OEMs to respond to modern challenges of developing a vehicle and creating a customer experience around a defined design, targeted cost, and fixed timeline. As discussed before, as I already shared, crowdsourcing of product innovations, connected car technologies, shop floor to top floor, or digitized manufacturing operations, demography-based product design and marketing, and social listening to capture voice of customer to enhance product quality or improve service delivery are some of the SMAC-driven disruptive practices. So how to be a game changer? Automobile companies can respond to market challenges and address emerging trends by implementing a phased digital business strategy, choosing the right digital technology portfolio across the value chain, and aligning this with the core competencies and chosen strategies of the organization. In a nutshell, automobile companies will be able to stand out in the marketplace if they can create a high level of customer centricity in their business processes, foster technology-enabled collaboration, and optimize their choice of technologies. Two diagrams from ValueLabs provide a framework to implement the SMAC strategy in the automobile industry and create greater customer intimacy through social media marketing. Together, they result in superior customer experience, product innovation, process improvement, and higher productivity. In Figure 1, you will see sentiments from all stakeholders, including customers, suppliers, opinion makers, distributors, and competitors, are captured in real time through social media such as Facebook, Twitter, blogs, their LinkedIn profile, and so on. These signals pass through various proprietary and open source listening tools prior to being fed to the CRM system. With available business intelligence and analytics tool, meaningful reports can be generated to engage with the stakeholders, as well as provide useful information to production and R&D departments. There are instances of many OEMs deciding on the product features for different price ranges and market demography based on stakeholder feedback. The process can also significantly reduce possible vehicle recall costs, for which billions of dollars are wasted by the auto OEMs each year. Figure 2 shows various social marketing initiatives to enhance a firm's customer centricity as it progresses on its digital transformation path. social marketing initiatives have been broadly classified into 4 categories: connecting to customers, customer experience management, customer value creation, customer insight, and new market strategy. All the players in an automobile industry value chain can create tremendous business value with simple SMAC applications such as SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, social media marketing, customer management system, CRM, customer relationship management, integration, and the relative complex ones such as outcome-based social marketing, in-memory computing, M2M, social intelligence, and customer analytics. All the players in an automobile industry value chain can create tremendous business value with simple SMAC applications. Let me list it out for you. So thank you so much and happy SMACing.